Yes.
Is it expensive to maintain something na para kung bahay ko, ang dami kong greens kasi gusto ko, is it expensive to maintain that, or are there ways around it?
With regard to maintenance, pag sa bahay, in fact, karamihan ng may-ari ng bahay, natutuwa silang i-maintain yun.
It's part of the fun of it.
Part of the fun of it, yeah. Meron akong isang bahay na ginawa sa Wakwak in Mandaluyong.
Yeah.
Nato rin ng award.
Talaga. Oh, by the way, guys, si Architect Efren is the most awarded landscape architect in the Philippines.
One of the
most.
You know.
So yeah, we're in the presence of the top minds of the industry.
Yung bahay na sinasabi ko is 3,000 square meters. So it's big. It's huge for a residential lot.
Yeah.
So, meron silang hardinero. So initially, nung bago kami dumating, yung hardinero nila parang walang na-achieve dun sa 3,000 square meter lot. Kasi yung sistema niya, hindi concentrated. So, in-advise ko yung hardinero, dapat, kung ganyan kalaki yung garden mo, i-segment mo yung garden into 5 segments. You do a certain area for Monday, you do for Tuesday, for Wednesday, para meron kang na-achieve, meron kang nakikitang na-achieve. Kasi pag malaki, wala kang na-achieve.
Maganda yun. Gawin namin sa bahay. Kasi, ayusin natin. The next na naman, may weeds na.
Yan.
So wala siyang schedule.
Dapat meron schedule.
Oo.
Tapos number 2, ang advantage nun, makakatipid ka sa tubig. Kasi, i-water mo lang yung pang Monday. Hindi mo kailangang i-water lahat.
You don't water the plants every day?
Every day. Kunyari, usually, every other day. Ang watering. Merong iba nagwa-water every day, pero hindi naman kailangan eh. Lalo na kung rainy season.